Subscribe it now and press the bell.
Hello students, in this video we are going to see the third kind of clause, that is adverb clause. This is also very easy. It does the work of an adverb. An adverb clause is a group of words which contains a subject and predicate of its own and does the work of an adverb. So in the place of adverb, clause is used, that is adverb clause. Let's see the examples. He pulled the rope till it snapped. He pulled the rope. Find out subordinate clause till it snapped, because till is subordinating conjunction. He pulled the rope. How much time he pulled the rope till it snapped? So telling about pulled. Pulled is verb. Is it telling about rope? Rope is noun. Is it telling how was the rope? Rope was very long, rope was very short. Or is it telling something more about this noun? No. Is it giving answer he pulled what? He pulled what? The rope. But the rope is one word. It is not a clause. So it cannot be noun clause. Then what is remain? Verb. Pulled. How much time he pulled? Till it snapped. It means what? This clause is telling about verb. So it is adverb clause. The word or the phrase or the clause which is telling about that adverb, it means what? It does the work of an adverb. We stayed home as it rained. As it rained is subordinate clause. How it describes the verb? Let's see. Stayed. How much time they stayed at home? Why they stayed at home as it rained? Isn't it telling the reason of staying home? Staying is action. Isn't it telling about action, telling about verb? That is adverb. Here only what is there? Subordinate clause is telling about this verb. So it is adverb clause. You can go wherever you wish. Wherever you wish is subordinate clause. And it is telling about go. Where you can go? Telling about this action of going. Where you can go? Wherever you wish. It means this clause is telling about verb or it describes the verb. So it is adverb clause. The trip will be cancelled if it rains. If it rains. It is a condition. If it rains, what will happen? The trip will be cancelled. Cancelled is verb. In which condition it will cancel? If it rains. Telling about this verb, so it is adverb clause. He drew the sword that he couldn't defend himself. Is it telling about this sword? Sword is noun. Is it telling about sword, how it is, where it is and what? No. It is telling drew. Which sword he drew that he could defend himself. He drew the sword that he could defend himself. So, that he could defend himself is a adverb clause. In this way, we have seen kinds of adverbs: adverb of time, adverb of place, adverb of degree or quantity, adverb of manner. All these kinds, the same kinds are there in adverb clause. If they are telling about time, it is adverb of time. It is telling about place, adverb of place. If it is telling manner, adverb of manner. Adverb clause of manner, adverb clause of place, the same are there. Only there we have one word and here we have a complete clause. In this way, as much as you practice these examples, the concept will be more clear to you.